Humarap si Congressman Sandro Marcos dito sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure. But here's the catch. It happened in a closed-door session. Kagaya ng ibang mga politiko, nag-request si Sandro ng executive session, meaning no live streaming.
He would like to share as much information as he can, as candidly as possible. And more importantly, there may be critical information that may be elicited from his testimony, which may jeopardize or compromise further investigation of this commission.
Sandro said na nag-volunteer siya na humarap sa ICI para linisin yung pangalan niya na nadadawit sa allegations ng budget insertions.
I came here on a voluntary basis so I could help the ICI with their investigation.
ICI was created by Sandro's father, President Marcos, to investigate corruption in public infrastructure in the past decade.
Since nagsimula yung live streaming policy ng ICI, 2 resource persons pa lang ang pumaharap sa live streaming. Matapos yung hearing, ang sabi ni Marcos, binigyan niya daw ng consent yung ICI kung i-release ba sa public yung video ng kanyang testimonya. Pero nakadepende ito kung hindi ito mako-compromise yung investigasyon ng ICI. Ang question ngayon ay ilalabas ba ng ICI ang video ng testimonya ni Sandro Marcos?